Next one, we want to find the derivative again, and this time we have an e that's involved here. When you do the e, the derivative, that's e to the u times u primed is the formula that you want to use for this one. It is going to be a product rule because we do have two different things multiplied together. There's two different variables, so it does require a product rule. Let's start with that. So for the product rule, it's the first times the derivative of the second plus the second derivative of the first. I'm going to label the f and g's as we go through here as well. So we got the first, okay, so that's going to be, that's your f, okay, and then we want the derivative of the second. The derivative of the second is going to involve that e to the u times u prime formula. So I have e to the 3x times 3, that's your g primed right here. Then we have plus the second thing, e to the 3x times the derivative of the first, which is 2x. Let's label those. That's g, and then f primed is this one right here. So those are all the different pieces for your product rule. Now from here, the only thing you can really do is you can do some factoring on this. So let's do some factoring. You don't have to factor it unless it says specifically to do so on the test. If the test says write your answer as factored form, then you do want to put that. Otherwise, if it doesn't say that, then don't worry about it. Okay, so this here, we can pull out well, there's an x that's common, there's an x here and an x there. There's also e to the 3x that's common. So let's factor both of those out, x and e to the 3x. And so what's left over is going to be a 3x there because I got to get a 3x squared out of that. And then if I take out that, I only have a 2 left over here. And you can always tell if you factored it correctly by multiplying that back through. You would get 3x squared e to the x, which is what this is, and then you'd have 2x e to the 3x. So that right there would be your final factored answer.